Hi, my name is Ben Bickford, and I look forward to meeting you at the Running Remote conference in Bali. There, I'll be collaborating with Peter Ivanov, who's an international speaker, best-selling author, and virtual teams expert, to present a tailored workshop based on his best-selling book titled Virtual Power Teams. Peter's method is proven in practice in distributed teams around the world and has won multiple corporate awards. The method systematically shows how to lead virtual teams, save time and money, and develop your own organization for the future. In one case study using the Virtual Power Teams method, a 2-year project was delivered by a distributed team across 20 countries in Europe. In the end, 3 months earlier than planned, and with a saving of €250,000. It's a fascinating model supported by valuable lessons from actual virtual teams and projects around the world, including insights on common challenges, hurdles, and importantly, proven practical techniques that you'll be able to apply in your own business after the conference. In our workshop at Running Remote, Peter and I will show you how to discover and leverage individual strengths within your teams, how to set a team vision and their goals, as well as how to establish structured communications and how to ensure a winning spirit for your own virtual teams. Through a series of fun and facilitated group exercises, we'll explore together how your virtual teams can optimally be supported, aligned, and empowered to unleash their power and help you all achieve outstanding business results. See you at Running Remote.